I've been using Centellian24 official expert Madeca Cream, Active Renew PDRN, 50 milliliters for a while now, and I can honestly say it lives up to the hype. The texture is rich but not heavy, and it absorbs surprisingly well into the skin without leaving a greasy or sticky feeling. My skin feels instantly moisturized and soothed after application, which makes it perfect for both morning and night routines. What really stands out is how effective it is at skin recovery. With the PDRN and Madeca Centella Asiatica ingredients, I noticed my skin looking calmer, healthier, and more resilient within a couple of weeks. Redness was reduced, and my overall skin texture felt smoother and more refined. It's especially great if your skin is stressed, damaged, or recovering from breakouts or treatments. Another thing I love is that it works well for sensitive skin. I didn't experience any irritation, and it actually helped strengthen my skin barrier over time. Fine lines also appeared softer, and my skin had a more plump, youthful look. Overall, this cream feels like a high-quality, dermatologist-inspired product that truly focuses on skin repair and renewal. If you're looking for a reliable moisturizer that helps with healing, anti-aging, and deep hydration, Expert Madeca Cream Active Renew PDRN is definitely worth trying.